The purpose of manufacturing account is to gather the all cost of production. So here we have the format of manufacturing account in front of us. This is the complete format where we have to consider only and only production relevant costs and expenses. Material, labor, overheads, expenses, direct, indirect. Here we go for the first question. Question number 1, practice question. From the following, draw up the manufacturing account. Let me pick up the format. Here I'm going to solve question number 1. From the following, draw up a manufacturing account, trading account, income statement, portion of income statement till gross profit. So here we have the format. Raw material, 1st April is opening, 30th September is closing. I hope no issue in it. Raw material opening 2900, work in progress 3900. Here we have work in progress opening inventory. Raw material closing 4200, raw material closing 4200, work in progress closing 3600, work in progress closing 3600. Right, so we built opening and closing inventories of raw material and work in progress. Purchase of raw material 15,630. Purchase of raw material 15,630. Carriage on raw material 126. Carriage on raw material 126. There is no purchase return. Direct wages, direct labor. The examiner can say factory wages, factory labor. These type of terms are used for direct labor and direct wages. 48648. Factory general expenses, factory overhead, office salaries, income statement, depreciation of office furniture, income statement, carriage outward, income statement, advertising, income statement, bad debts, income statement, sales, income statement, sales of scrap, income statement, discount received, income statement, depreciation of factory equipment, factory overhead, and factory overhead and income statement. So we got 3 items. Number 1, factory general expenses. $7048. Depreciation 4200. Rent 2800 into 3 upon 4 for the factory, and 2800 1 upon 4 for the office, for the factory and for the office. 2100 and 700. Agreed. Please verify the figures. Ji, my dear. So 2100 should be recorded here for rent and business rates. Now everybody please use your calculators. Calculators, start कीजिए calculation. मुझे चाहिए cost of raw material consumed. This is 63104. Please identify it, correct it, verify everyone. Okay, then there is no direct expense, so prime cost become 111752. Now you need to add expenses. Factory overhead 7048, 4200, 2100. It makes 13348 plus 111752 125100. Calculators, please verify the answers. You all are A2 students, please verify the answers. Now we are moving towards income statement. This value, look here, transfer to cost of sales. 125400. जी क्लास सब मेरे साथ हैं? Now you can make the income statement. Income statement. Income statement items are finished goods inventory 15300, opening, Moreover, clothing inventory 17,700. There can be purchase of finished goods and return of finished goods also. It is not available in this question. Now all expenses. Office salaries 22,200. Next, depreciation 420. Carriage outward 121. 191. Advertising 1472. Bad debts 200. Right? You need to list all other operating expenses, admin expenses, selling and distribution expenses as it is to income statement. Sales and sales return. एडवांस तो नहीं हो सकता, एडवांस तो नहीं हो सकता। तो इसको वेरीफाई कर लें, इस तरह हम प्रॉफिट या लॉस अपना कैलकुलेट करेंगे। This was our first question. I hope you understand the idea. Some expenses belongs to production, some items belongs to admin and selling. So only production expenses are to be considered here, whereas income statement, admin and selling expenses are transferred to income statement. So here is a summary. You may see them. I hope you can manage these. Manufacturing account and a statement of comprehensive income. The topic is also available in O levels, but not in AS, but here it is in A2 with a higher version. So your task is to understand how to distribute expenses between factory and office. These all are office and admin expenses, distribution expenses. All right. Of course, new concept, inshallah, we'll study later. Cost of raw material calculation is here, beta. 290015. There may be calculation mistake in it. You may check the calculation yourself. That's why I told you again and again, perform your calculations. Now you have to do it from yourself. Please check your calculations. Everyone, please use your calculators to verify the answers. Do it yourself.